Hey guys, today we're gonna check out the FloveMe Bicycle Phone Holder. Now you can pick this up on Amazon or AliExpress and it will cost you less than 10 bucks. So now taking a look at the package, it's pretty simple packaging, pretty standard. It has some writing at the front here and it says the best things come in small packages. And there's a description about FloveMe. Now let's unbox it. There's like a pull tab over here which makes it easy to open it. So I'm just going to open it right now. And I'm going to pull the bicycle phone holder out. It doesn't come with any paperwork or anything, just the bicycle phone holder itself. Now taking a look at the bicycle phone holder, this is made out of silicone. It has two grips to help secure your phone in place. It has the FloveMe branding at the back, and this is how you will secure it to your bicycle handlebar. Basically just remove this and remove this and put this onto your handlebar, and you can put it back here and adjust accordingly to what you want. And now I'm going to do a demonstration. So right here with me I have an iPhone XS. This has a 5.8 inch screen and I'm using the official Apple silicone case on, so you'll get a better understanding whether this works with cases. So I'm going to insert my phone into the phone holder. So this is how your phone will look like on your bicycle. Now some part of the screen will not be able to be used while using the phone holder, as you can see here, but this only affects modern phones. If you have a phone with big bezels, this should not be an issue, but do take note. The phone feels very secure and it doesn't feel like it's going to fall out, as you can see here. There is no way this is going to fall out. And also take note, if you're using this with an iPhone XS, you will not be able to use the rear cameras. Or if you have any other smartphones that has the rear cameras on the left side, you will not be able to use them. Now overall, I think this is a great phone holder. Its build material is excellent, it's easy to use, and it's inexpensive. If you are looking for a new bicycle phone holder, I would recommend you the FloveMe Bicycle Phone Holder. This is the end of my FloveMe Bicycle Phone Holder review. Thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, be sure to like and do consider subscribing for future content. Until the next one, peace guys.